Yo, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this spoofed version of Pokemon Go so you guys can spoof your location, spawn infinite Pokecoins, just things like that, guys. It's really cool. But before we get into this tutorial, guys, I have this red iPhone XR that I'm going to be giving away to one lucky winner. So if you guys want to win this, just like, subscribe, and then comment why you want the phone, guys. Alrighty, let's get into the tutorial. You guys can see on the left hand side of my corner, or the left hand side of my screen, excuse me, the Pokemon Go Plus app, guys. So if you want to learn how to get this app, guys, just open up Google and then type in the URL at the top, odexgen.com, odexgen.com. Alrighty, guys, it's going to bring you to a site that looks like this. So what you want to do here is just scroll down until you see the Pokemon Go Plus app, guys. So once you find it, just go ahead and click on that, and then it will say app tweaking required, and you're going to see an orange button that says download Pokemon Go Plus. So just go ahead and hit this orange button, guys, and it's going to say tweaking app. So what this means, guys, it's just preparing your phone to download the Pokemon Go Plus app. Alrighty, guys, then it's going to say preparing human verification. So what this is going to do, guys, it's just going to send you to a human verification test to make sure that you guys are real so you can download this spoofed version of Pokemon Go. So what you need to do to verify that you're human, guys, is just complete all 4 of these simple offers. So with apps, all you have to do is install each app and run each app for 30 seconds. And then with surveys, guys, if you get a survey, just click on it and then answer a few simple questions. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what to do with an app, guys. So once you click on it, it's going to send you directly to the App Store. And then all you need to do, guys, is install the app and then open it and run it for 30 seconds. So install it and then open it up and then just tap around in here for 30 seconds. You don't need to start a trial or nothing. Just run it for 30 seconds, guys. It's very simple. And once you do that, guys, you just want to come back and complete the rest of your offers, guys. So once you complete all 4 offers, then you should have the spoofed version of Pokemon Go downloaded to your phone, guys. Alrighty, guys, so once you complete that full process that I just showed you and completed the 4 simple offers, guys, you should have the spoofed version of Pokemon Go automatically downloaded to your phone, guys. So let me know how this worked out for you guys down in the comment section below. And if you have any trouble, just drop your social media and I'll be sure to DM you guys and help you out with whatever problems you guys are having. Alrighty, guys, once again, before I go, I have this red iPhone XR that I'm going to be giving away. So if you want to win this, guys, just like, subscribe, and then comment why you want the phone, guys. Alrighty, thank you all for watching. I really hope this video helped you guys out.